Whenever you try an emulator or a PC game, you probably encounter this type of error. And you immediately go to your PC settings to try updating the graphics driver. Then you hear a sound from your computer.
Windows has determined the driver software for your device is up to date.
What? What the f?
If you experience this kind of issue, don't worry, because in this video, I will provide you with a complete guide on how to fix this bug. The fix I will show you works on almost all graphics cards, so let's start the video. Now, I've come to my PC screen. First, let me show you my graphics card, and then I'll check for its graphics card update. As you can see, my PC has a 64 MB Intel HD graphics card, which is not suitable for any task. Let's now check for its update. As you can see, it falsely claims that the latest graphics driver is installed on my PC, which is not true. Now, let me show you how to fix this. The download link for this file will be available in the description below. You just need to right-click on this zip file and extract it. After extracting, you will get a folder, and you need to launch the setup from that folder. Click on the Install button after that. Once installed, close the background process of this software. In the next step, go back to the same folder, copy this file, and paste it into the directory of the software. Then launch the software. As you can see, the software has launched. In addition to updating drivers, this software allows you to boost your PC's performance and provides various tools. Now, let's quickly update the driver. Click on Scan, and the scanning will start. The software has found several driver updates, including the graphics driver. Interestingly, even after manually checking for updates again, it still claims that my graphics driver is up to date. I'm not sure if this is a glitch or a bug. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Now, let me share some important tips with you. First, create a restore point before updating any of these drivers so that you can restore your system if any unwanted changes occur after updating. Also, I recommend updating these drivers one by one. Updating all at once may cause your PC to crash during startup. Let me quickly update the graphics driver. As you can see, the graphics driver has been successfully updated. After updating the graphics driver, restart your PC. I hope, friends, that the latest driver is now installed on your PC. If you found this video even slightly helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel because I regularly upload videos related to tech and games. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.